Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be making slime. I got these new containers. I got all these new containers from Five Below. There is 20 in them in here. And it comes with a big one too to hold the containers. And so yeah. I'm gonna be giving away some slimes. April 10th, which is coming up. So yeah, that's my giveaway day. So, yeah, I got surgery in my mouth yesterday, so sorry if you hear like weird noises and if you see my mouth not really moving. So I'm gonna make I don't know what color slime. I'm gonna make a green-blue slime. I mean green-clear slime. Turquoise, I mean. So I'm gonna make this size. Oh wait, yeah, this size. Yeah, I'm gonna roll my sleeves up. Sorry if the video ends, if I already told you, if I already said that. I'm going to be doing this much clear glue. And then the paint. Comment down below if you like this color. Turquoise. I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream. So yeah. Just a little bit, because it foams up a lot. Every time I add the shaving cream into it, it starts activating for some reason. And it only happens with the clear glue. It's just so weird. And it's like, yeah. That was a lot. Wow. It smells so good. Sorry about if you hear any noise in the background. It's just my brother and sister playing the Xbox. Okay, I think this is good enough. I knew it wasn't going to be activated as soon as I put it in hands. It's a heart. Ready? Hold on. So sticky. Listen to that. Like, what the heck? So fluffy. Comment down below if you think, comment down below if you guys make slime a different way, or what your favorite slime is. So, yeah. It's not even clear because, first of all, I put shaving cream in it. Second of all, I put color in it. Third of all, I'm playing with it and making bubbles. But, yeah. Look. It's not clear at all, but, like, you know what I'm saying. I think, you know. I'm gonna put a little, fidget spinner beads in it before I put it away. Comment down below if you think I make slimes fast. I don't think I make slimes fast, but if you think, comment down below. I'm gonna make some, put fidget spinner beads in it. Yeah. And by fidget spinner beads, I mean fidget spinner beads, like they're shaped as a fidget spinner. That's what I mean. stretchy right now, but it's because I'm like playing with it. Listen to this, ready?